Here's the old, the original toolkit. Hey. Let's have a look in it. Mate, never been used. Hey, 30 years old. Let's have a look. To the bench, turn the light on. What's in here, eh? Allen keys. Oops. Screwdriver. Pair of pliers. Another spanner. Hey, that's a pretty good toolkit. It's more than what you get these days. Nice. That's the old 2-in-1. Hold that out. Turn it around. And it's a Phillips head. Flat blade. Phillips head. Or what do the Americans call it? That's a 4-way. Okay, just converted the single to a 4-way. Alright, yeah, it's not a bad little kit. Good stuff. Okay. Well, I'm yet to send these to you, Gary. Economical Rides. Stay tuned. I know you love them, these mirrors. Alright, see yous.